everyone, welcome back to the Science Girl. In one of our previous videos, we observed how light bends when it passes through a glass slab. This bending of light is called refraction. Refraction occurs when light changes speed as it moves from one medium to another. In this video, we will observe the same using a prism. You will be surprised to see how objects appear shifted when viewed through the glass slab or a prism. For this experiment, you will need a glass prism, a plain A4 sheet, a board or a notebook to place under the sheet, a pencil, a ruler, a protractor, and some awl pins. Fix the A4 sheet on the board and place the glass prism in the middle of the paper and trace its triangular boundary. Choose one face of the prism and draw a straight line PQ falling at an angle onto the face. Fix two pins A and B vertically on the line PQ a few centimeters apart. Make sure that they are vertically straight. Now look through the prism from the other side. Fix a pin C such that it appears to be in straight line with the images of A and B. Fix another pin D a few centimeters away from pin C such that they all appear to be in a line. Now remove the prism and join the points where pins C and D were inserted. Connect this line to the prism boundary and name it RS. Join Q and R, the points where light enters and exits the prism. This shows the actual path of the light ray through the prism. I have drawn the normals to the faces of the prism. What do we observe? When the light enters the prism, it bends towards the normal because the glass is optically denser than air. When the light emerges out of the prism, it bends away from the normal because air is optically rarer than glass. The light ray undergoes two refractions, one at each surface of the prism. The overall direction of light ray changes. This change in the direction is called deviation. When we join the extended incident ray and emergent ray, the angle formed is called the angle of deviation. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called the angle of incidence. The angle between refracted ray and the normal is called angle of refraction, and the angle between emergent ray and the normal is called angle of emergence. Now try changing the angle of incidence and repeat the experiment. You will notice that the angle of deviation changes every time. As we observed in our glass slab experiment, light bends at the first surface and bends back at the second surface due to parallel faces, resulting in lateral displacement without a change in direction. However, in a prism, the refracting faces are inclined, so the two refractions do not cancel out and the ray deviates from its original path. Now it's your turn. Try this experiment at home and trace the beautiful path of light through a prism. If you get some cool results or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this experiment, smash that like button, share it with your science-loving friends, and subscribe to the Science Girl for more such awesome experiments. See you in the next video.